6 and 0244 948 600 afi 0549 040 570 apa Menfi Rural Bank yeni mu fretete apa Menfi Rural Bank ya shumoda
yesi e badia bank bia kade
all correct sir I take a woman Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonum ye die boy ye ahode na wanya ne sa no wo delay adwuma no so papa na wo che na wo ye ni ye pa delay man capsules I don't know ama me sisi ni me kotodwe mu ayenten I can see na local mixture ene the capsules a e ma ne marima nyina num bie no me num bie no me do wo hu me sei me hu se wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa enti na wo kɔ hye wo a wo delay sa local mixture and the capsules means so if you chrome yaw biem mura se wo be delay kra no means no be ma na wo baby a wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho baby a no fa local mixture asia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bi a woni ntime nyi da enti ma local mixture and the capsules e me yefri ho e wo heba e pharmacy na mu do afre 0242 133 577
Ana 0248 619 999.
Local mixture and the capsules. And what's that in kind?
What's it then?
Nyamia do.
Ibe ko yi.
Ebe de guso.
Na pe ho ayefe o.
Me da ase.
E twa rasta. Kwame ne boga.
Me da ase.
Nze apobie ne.
Nyamia do.
Nice one. Heaven's Touch Foundation. Chemugakra. What is
Heaven's Touch Foundation Ajumaku from NGOs.
Oh, okay.
In 2018 and you register high. Now ASANTE you be register no crowd do ni Madam Efe. Say me you be a me do nipa me do afoforo. And I'm saying your training into no. I must have open e wo me mu. Na 2013 na me nua ba bi nam na me nua ba no ahwiri ni kunu pa ya sabre no me hwe situation me nua ne ko mu na e ka me because me ankasa me ne nam na ase me wodo so nku bi ma no e ma me beti nie ma bi ase se ni pefiri wo ho a e ha adwene sabre na me starte na me konkrasi villages me first place I me koye eya ho kwa na me ko organize widows many widows no start na ukọ enkronkro na ukoti omo nsem atumu se sebe obi wo ho ana ni kunu firi mu a enema bi ha adwene pa ni kunu firi mu a ohwe ne ma ne hwe mu ene enema atumu se situation no enye te ma meto makoma so se enema e koso idie na se edise metre me mu na afi no mene disables eso start say e nante otumu se ones oben sa ankofo nyina otumu se problems e wo ho but ya ye wo se hwe no sebe aya ye mayani enko omo meni omo so nam ya e ma me hu no omo so problem omo be ye part of me o hwe def no ma otumu se me wo ha akra no mo abafie
sabe omo asunso asi
omo yeah def omo asun ha omo no many disables konam ye chese many deaf the blind omo nyina no federation no yeah
people with disability
yeah disability na kwakwafo na ye president kra
wow
ntini nyina ma open afi na e boro me so nti me decide say there be se sa open nyina anya me de adom me dia na menu aka so se sa de we ye nyame amfa ndom wa wuntumenye nti e ma me decide there be sa de di se me pe ba bi sononko na metumi ehwe sa nkwara no me wo fi a bo say social welfare for problem no mo de nkwala na breme wo wona say doves for problem with kids no mo de nkwala na breme no ma hwe omo emre ne so ana omo abeje omoko obi kra koja ne ba e wo government hospital o 3 days no ja no to ye de ne breme me anam tete akwala no family no ebe ka asem no mo je akra ne koye na edi say menya bianka sa memo mo atena na
okay
amomo chinchi 2015 and I'm at all asase. So me pese me si Abia no.
Okay, we'll come to that.
Yeah.
But the near inspire or Emma or the
inspiring the pie madam for no.
And now if you want people with disabilities to be nanti. Now mission is saying.
My mission and Kasani say you be raising some cranny at omu in the way say omunye isolated from other people. Ekuna for na many almost na omo niema mi hunu bi ni say obu ho a ekobasa na say ayroho nti na o ye depressed. Omu hia kasachre. It was one of the things I was doing. Disabled people no cry pon the ginger me more. Cause especially mom with autistic children. Who be as a parent no person didn't be pie. I said acquire stigma should be the obiso. And she said when is a nipa ne parent kasa who say hey say me be on car or chiro. So my mission is for them to also know say unkwala no eni so mu yi omo jaja. That's why they have the uniqueness. Omo ye special into no bia omo ye special kids omo ye special kids. They have uniqueness in them. As a unhunu sa uniqueness na eni metumi pie free omo mu. No mo be ni petitu kwa wo kra wa adwen enti ase. That is why I want to form this. And this has been one of the goals. Ama me hu say eni ma me yina e konen.
Into your mission. Then aligning it with your goals and objectives, you know. It is saying,
me metumi say with that, you know, ama eni ma bi wo ho a aboa. Let's look at this. Me pese enkrasa no me shape omu vision. Na omu vision no so no etumi di omu sibia bia ebe mo akọ omu ani. Cause omu nim se bia me ye disable ana bibi se nti no ana ne parent no ewu a waye ofa no ohia nkyerɛkyerɛ. Saa nipa no ebi wo ho ana na idea wo ho but wo no oboa no with ne vision na wo enlighten na emane konadim. Ohunu se oh saa de we nipa ye o ka me ho kyerɛkyerɛ me kwan no betumi amama tene. Meni akora bi namwe na akora no sebe na ne maame mu ni bi enti me ne nante kakra na me ne nante ka metumi se akora ne ya akora bi a nyame was special things bi de ma akora no but na ohia obi ama na straight in the vision no ama no Liberty FM na sa bre na me yes ade no ya akora na wonte ase ba ne obenyini ye no de bi ohunu se sa me maame wonni ho a anka niema we no echia ko se. It means the vision no nyame aboa me ema metumi align no manako straight to wherever he wants to be. Aboa no.
We take a delight in doing what you do now.
Yeah. Because me take a delight, I make us say yeah. Because a quite bebre so no. Metumi usade a me ye bia no say enye ope ene a person me ya coming to me ye.
Ama wanije.
Really sometimes they say me da ana me tiwokra na me tie nwum bi a very solofula na me su ena me hunu nkwala etesa na ma bisa mo say na de na me ba sesie ekura me hia nkwala bi omu ko school na de omu ye no wo kwan no so na me ho tete me I had to stand there talk to these kids na me mo mu se ba bi omu ko no eye nhira yi die no mo ko ntie mo mu mfa ndi agoro. When I see things and I don't talk about it, I have me. Because they be a me pese, obi tu anamumbia, me money who said they walk on a bebuano. I motivate people, I encourage people, and it leads them to the right path. Sana me, nyamiama mi vision. Akoye.
Notably, who bribisum could be a woye for sound kodai and ye won kodabi wo mo what me ama mo free when someone could do baby and what you intend doing for them.
No dear, ana me nkam boosti. Ana me pese ewiase na nkase hu no mo nkase di ho nkobo. Enkwala matete omo. As a teacher no.
Do obey say.
The efa me se ma me ne omo atena as a now. Ebi university. Ebi secondary school. The last one is see amene ewo kokra ewo SS2.
Wow sika.
Oh sure, yeah. ɛno deɛ bebree ɛna it has been one of the a year every year sɛ we had obi anim sɛ meyɛ children's party ɛno deɛ meyɛ paa ɛna sɛ mɛkɔ nkurase so na makɔ renew nkɔfoɔ health insurance cards deɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a meyɛ paa
From your pocket?
yeah wokɔ NHIS ɔmo nim
Without support?
no ɔho sɛ nyame de dom wo a na wama wo ho ne ahoakadeɛ sɛ menim sɛ this year wei na mɛyɛ a mpɛn pii no teacher ne mepɛi ne nso deɛ nanso me try sɛ mɛyɛ ne nkakra na mmerɛ na masɛte sɛ mɛyɛ saa adeɛ no na matumi ayɛ ɛna ɛboa me so matumi achieve but one will be say untumi nye ni nyina nti sometimes you need the support of others na omo to me aboa.
Okay, nti initiatives bɛn any projects bɛn ɛna obetumi de wɔn sɛ so aka sɛ o BBC na meyɛ for this very project and I say BBC ya meyɛ
me da se pa me bra me told land in 2015 no sisi anyame adom me see 8 bedrooms toilet and bath kesiye
what the year
me pese me ma blind for no sisi hwi ha what I mean can the whole Western North ye need school for the blind
wow
ye ni bi and for the deaf so ye ni bi enti saa bia no me pese sa ankofo mienu ni enye bi ewo me de ehɔ na me de omo be start school me ma the deaf start wo dwuna ase but no money location papa nti de bia wo ti dua ase nti na enye very encouraging omo do so ha pa but omo ni bi omo ko school nti na ema me start sa na me nyina se de be ya me de omo any blind any autistic children any orphans no se nyame adom bia benye baabi aba blind for no ebebe school no mo akofie deaf bebe school no mo akofie autistic children bebe school no mo akofie but orphans there on be stay ewo because on there oni obia but the blind there obenye baabi a sebe anopa ne maami dware na odene sika mama na ko school now I start esua how to use the braille ni nyina yenim se benya homwa akosi da braille no ena deaf no so no omo de nyame adom me omo start ye enti menim so omunya the location ankasa se e ha na afi ye nyina ye ko school a eno so be ma omo ani age se de bia no mbe ko school na de oye deaf a ne ba ehye fie no omo se da bi cause duro de ni ko kumase ana ba bi ansa na ne ba na ko school eye adeso ade mom nti se eba krum ha de a ebe bo omo oh me ba no wadware wa ko school opon awaba at the end of the day we betumi sign language no obi wo ha o e deaf okuruma wo hia no nim sign language no because wa anko school no on the na no keka but say okko school ne de onim sign language no ebeboa ebema Western North atumpon ebema sehweman so atumpon nti eno de nyame adom ye sisa dan no ema sesi ahwe a ye sini nyina awi ye do lentil a this ye gu na nyame adom ye boso yeah
nti wo ye we nyina won ko a
yeah within 1 year and nyame adom itumi di sisa dan no 1 year from 2023 2024 and 2024 December and you do that level
obia emma support
2024 December within 1 year and you this is ada anyway baba be do the heading ti be here say my support
be here support
yeah
support in what context
and no say obi once ye si dan enti dan ho ahokadie bia ye be here sika na person de man a ebeboa ye ade edi si dan bia obetumi de amaye o person o so cement man iron rocks ade a person o to bia ebeboa ye
for now ye kan kwada wo mo ho no ma wo mo enya baabi nko school wo mo nya baabi ntina ne sa nyama na wo kwada ba
for now mean to mean keep me fie fi say me me fie but say social welfare nya case not the nabrem na ma keep no for some time no
so you've kept like yes. How many
when they more records o mo de mumu fo nyina abrem more records yeah many doves ni social welfare ni hand in hand
omo de omo bre
omo de omo ba
in partnership.
Yeah.
Do they pay anything?
Oh, no dear. So we are akwala de so omo bro pampers a omo de bebrel. So what I say, but munim say your penny adwuma we no. Nti
wɔn do wɔn ba saa na wɔn adi die bu ne saa nneɛma na you take care of yourself.
I take care of it. And kaya so a blessings bi a meka sikasem a problem, but emu nhyira no so dɔɔso. Yeah, blessings no. But sika no uhia. Ye hia sika ne pa. Because o ye nyina e sika. Eno de no kre e sika. But ubende.
Woni obia ni partnership or omoboa in doing what you do.
No. Me recently na me ko visit me too kwan kakra me visit baby ba kakra. Eno na me kunya friends or two bia. Omo hu adwuma me ye no. Omo ani so. Omo say oh Julie ye ba beboa. But for now de me hwede me am my Western North and this so
within the context of Sefi Western North or Obia buy into partnership with
no. And no na ye best say Sefi mine ni mu mpanimfo nyina say omomboa ye na ba bi dining pempen so aduru no obubetumi aka say ne ya julu dan kra mafa me si atoa so amam kebe me de pa
notable nkwala obetumi akire say akwala we makwada for people to know of what you
are. Body na
no say we dey anya dey
on credit ono ankasa bo na sehwiman nyina bo aya na eye manage ma ho aso but aya na me pese de bia ni okay se dodo na ni mandem yopika ne maame eneme onyame mo ha se hwi ha de dodo na ni
Kwaku Samson
dodo oye immigration no
yeah
me ana metete no ade ni ko immigration enanya me adom ono abeka kire se ne maame oye bibi na okache ne maame se onya obeye otwa photo no de beto ba bia ne maame o se o posti o se maame aka ide me posti menka na menka mbusti ba ne nyina mu eye
ono nko
ekra ma hwo mu bebre but we dey inform them enye
wow
yeah.
So how do you feel seeing him?
Me ba no. I just say me see him cry no. Me de radia simpempen so de ne dru. Every say oya akora bia na somre na de bia no oti asem. E na wo tete akora na onyenya gidie wo mu a eboa wo. Fi say free bra me ne tena ya besi nne no a me fa ne se ba na busu nyina de ne ma me se ba me so me fa ne se ba no bra kwasi akra we yi akola bia me special man no so ye special mama me special man no so ye special mama otie masem na me kan me say na say nkofo ko Facebook I say we're posting a new picture be not a suit yeah which I was man show me new picture my picture me the beto edase ete say na me say efe papa oye bibia o say ma say obe releasing nyum na ohia ne ma me blessing as obe release bia ohia ne ma me blessing eno de me ba no obekọ ha obeka che o say jere me kache ma me a week ansa na mako sana me ba ne tie and it shame nkuna bebre fi say wa ma me sense from and o make me proud baby obeko bia and no crack on na san shame nkuna mo and no so shame nkuna pa and na medanya me ase
wa ba mabu e won ya wo ye mu da
debida
challenges e wom ti say
challenges ne de Bible eba mandem in particular and ma mi hunu challenges ne kese but en nyame ama enhira bam me kai emre bi kaya na yada ti wana me ba na bawura me dem na niema na echesi me ba ono no ma ono no jinja me ma me sua se de esi bompa yie sa me ba no na nyame ti ase eto de bi ne de akwara bi brewa akwara wo ba ufie ho no wonnim honhom a wo de wura ufie ho na se sa akwara ne ba ufie ho a enye small battle me kai to mo kofa akwara bi efiri dwina ase no ne na mo keke small boy bi omo de ne bre me for 2 weeks na ne nyina mu no eye e ma wusua e na ma wutumi gina yie to face whatever is coming is one of the battles and na nipa hu wa outside so a no mu hu ni se sa word ndi omu yusupa se wanya hu bi na wo de hu nu de wo mfa skanye e na wo hwa afoforo but ana me pese me ka kire nipa nyina se eto da bia na yare bi bebo eto da bia na problem bi beba e bia na wo papa ye bi nti na enwe twaje enti nhyira wo mam enhyira wo de ye bia mu guys me twa me ho wo ha kakra tu kwan kakra na de si mabra bomudin 1 year no me hunu se eye papa ye bia me ye no na nyame de atua ho ka ama me within 1 year no na nka bisa ho se kas within 1 year metumi esisa 8 bedrooms toilet and bath kitchen no come to me eye papa ye bi eye adoye bi enti ma wutu nansi baabi a enhyire de akire nipa antiase obeka ne obehunu ne se but me a me wom no me hu ne se papa ye ede maduduru baabi na menim se nyame de mbeko baabi akese so pa
future plans and saying
future plans Mr. Rade say omma se hwinye kese western north enye kese na eye kese no Erade ma won want enie baabi ase wo giving mu no omonti ase we se hwi asase so na omontumi nya adoye enye se bia wo be ya amame but ye ntumi mo se hwiman e mane nkodenim me plan no me nya de ma me ho me pema ye nyina me bompa ese se hwiman enkonanim na se hwiman sua giving na ye hunu nhyira ewo omamu na ade bia esi obia akoma so opese oye boa se hwiman no enhwe woni bi owo nchen ena enka se menue we nti menye bibi da bi ye de wo ye bia kwa enhwe wachi ye ko because wonni memra enhyira ne beba ho is one of the things that ewo mitirim se de bia wo ya de menhwe obi ye de opese wo ye no ebe din de ba ye there is victory at the end of the tunnel saade na ewo mitirim
wo say o pese sa orphanage home na wo si no amount for meye wo mwa
sure
when you told me about this yes Abia, I am saying this on there because you are a sister.
Yeah.
Yes. And even yesterday night we spoke on phone and I was telling you it was more or less like say may discourage you, but not yet discouraging because I know where we are and I know where we come from.
Yeah.
And within our enclave, you know, going to people and as more or less soliciting something from them for fund and all that, you know. Hano, it is something else.
A brokers no crap ha. I am bisa me ho say aden. Obi wo ho na ote won kampo se wuye bibia. Ono anka ne pem, oh momfra so masi mame. Mate ne nka se wo ye bibi sei. Me pese me boa no. Dabi. Opese wo besu pa ne chew.
Yes.
Ba ne refi se de wo ya ma woni nyina no no so nhyira wo ma no. De wo ya ma woni nyina. Ne refi hu se brakwesi empanimfo wo kro we mu pa. Bebre na nim. Enra me kohia panimu bi. Na asem o ka cho se minim se wo yes ade I was shocked. O se minim se wo si orphanage home. Oh, enti onim ena se on frɛ me se fia mate se wo ye bibi se o BECHEM moa we. But I pray say Awurade ma sahwi yɛn nyinaa yɛnte ase ɛwɔ mma mu nyame ma yɛnhunu enhyira ɛwɔ mu na yɛn nyinaa yɛmmoa ma sahwi man ɛnkɔ n'anim
ade a woyɛ
yeah
ade a woyɛ not for yourself
dabi but when you say me see dan ma me ho
unsi dan ma
dabi me wa asase ba me see dan
na wo si dan amanyanka
yes me see dan ma me ho
na wo si dan amanyanka
yeah me see dan ma me ho me wa me nan fofo o mo asi dan ba me see dan ba dan ma si no me de ma anyanka yeah me see dan ma me ho me see dan
and we see that
yeah
and
because
for which the support and so do
low
it's not coming from anywhere yourself
utumi hu say bibi say nanka senka young lady me won cry and come so scan come dey dan me hu yeah
and nanka me so how do you take care of your children as well
adum ya
because you have how many
me wo bebre me dey me come me number of kids me wo bebre me wo my sister back your friend Gina on the last mo beka afia de ejayo ono de bia kanya me nhira nko ama no no mpehwe na asemo beka chewa and I'm so proud de bia ogina ba bia asemo ka kire nkofo no afia de on de afia o de kanya me nhira na afia de and I'm so proud say ohun ne say me pe ahunya de sana my sister no hu me ozi afia de on de that no can because she sees say me yobi a me mpra de ma me ho me ne ko ba bi obeka che say afia de
so notably say you want everyone to come to your aid but if we have some people within this enclave or vicinity that you are to mention say I want this person to help me, I want this person to help me, I want this person to help me, who are the people that like you be calling to help you in what you're doing?
I know they make us a young friend.
Yeah, but if you have somebody in mind that you want to call,
and then can make us say she may na more.
Okay.
The ma make us and say brakwesi. The obesusu say obema 1 million.
Oh ma.
The wunsusu no obema 1 million.
Okay.
Enti de bia no never underestimate people.
Sure.
The obebo ni din kese no. Once you will be hot or manasi o but oni bi. Enti de owo no or the bema one
the little.
But the obebre no. Obeka se ebi kro no obema okese. Okokora ebia omma. Enti mi mom de in giving minyim.
Okay.
In giving minyim. In giving minyim.
Go Belem. What is that?
Adam.
Long time.
I did.
I know you did. And where you pigeon Halle. I see. Now if a boarding or the wooding can asem as to how you've been supportive or near all year no when what can you tell me about this very project? So
Project is a very important project. If it is in initial, because me in person no problem. The problem no autism child. But if you whom me ban say or any dia. It is a boama we see bibi sa ma yen mana. I see it as a nice project all be. Inti ye best say we mind said the one mo bia ya modin because he said to said your kan no. Bu ha na de ani asusu nkrofo bi but san nkrofo no ntumi mwa ye said de wan woni bi because we Bible man na kunani ba na woni bi. De owo nyina no de mai na nyame nso hyira no. Nti yen kase problem ayen so ye hu ne sese before me kase se before obi ma obi ade na ye ne ya kakra de efe ye no nkrofo nim se bi ono anya ne ho na o hwe nkrofo ma ba mi so mi hu ne se otu kwan kakra no nhira na nkrofo de nhira na abeboa no emo atumi survive obi man so emo de aba nti say voice gas e mo so me pagya e mo ma ye sun na ye boka ye man no ra ye bosie nyi sun na say you met to because ye was school to say orphanage school you me per school de be banako he's getting to 19 years this e me dware no this e me ni bibia inti se bi wo ha say I wouldn't travel all the way to Kumasi or Accra.
Yes.
Inti santi no ye nyina be boa inti wa wote ye nka no won so meboa na anisuade hu amenu no wo no abem.
Thank you. Yeah, but senia Gina Ekano ebia obi pese oboa nia mu ye is there a number or na bibisa or honma with me so oboa you can do this momo line bi wo
ana mebra eno de wo momo line
oboa obeka so me boa but ebia me wo sika na me de eboa
sika no betumi de amaye momo line
obi ka so owo cement obi be ma mo anwea ne sa ne mana
me da se baby aye wokra enye ze yiniko on inviali.
Okay.
Adeakyia New Town. Heaven View Hotel. Menene ne share wo.
Heaven View Hotel.
So I know this be Heaven Touch Foundation.
Wow.
Heaven View Hotel. Menene a share wo. Into ba Adeakyia New Town. Eno so ekwan ewo ho. Enti se wa loadu cement car kra ahwea car o gravel so de opese oye bia no. Wo di duru anim ho na. Wo hwie gu ha. Cause masase no kwan ho. Ye si no kwan ho a. Enti uduru ane wo hwie ya na egu. Enti de opese o maye cement, de opese o maye ahwea bibi opese o maye bia. So opese ofra, de opese ofra nko. Ena de opese o sendi skaso number nko. Na de opese o maye bibi through momo no. Momo number ni 055 30 50 954 Momo nankasa dinde Heaven's Touch Foundation.
And the wo send na enye Heaven's Touch Foundation don't send.
Okay. Bonse edino Heaven's Touch ne ba beguso. Sa momo number na mesensi su 055 30 50 954 a Heaven's Touch Foundation.
Okay.
And I say ebi opesa o frankasa na woni ye din koma obefre wo de Madam Efe obi ani Madam Efe se wo mumpe bi so wo de frɛ kayaso na nkasa ye ne din komoi menu ya be ma no se woni ma na chiri bensia eneme kayaso na chiri bensia eneme nti menu no wanyini pa nti se wo de wo hwehwɛ me baabi na wohumi a Felibeti na kasa wo hwehwɛ kayaso.
That's right.
Wo hwehwɛ kayaso a Ozikaya so unia ba na o si nyanka fie no me pesa me boa no ene o yesu okra na afre so a frɛ fasim ka kyerɛ no ene anuma muti mu frɛ Ozikaya so unia ba ne number me re fie o de be ma wo na wasende ewo 055 30 50 954 eno ye Heaven's Touch Foundation ye mumu number no so pesa o ma ya hwea bibia so aye wo Adeakyia New ye ne Heaven View Hotel ene share wo na
betumi
akohwia ahwea gu ho obema bibia obema ye bia wo pese obesi dan ne kora ewie ma sese ye si 8 bedrooms na ewie akase ye begu lentil ne ya afena de aka ne do so pa enti de obia wo bia wo pese osi ma ye kora ewie a ye beji atum betumi aba besi amaye
enti krakra wo sorry no kasabe asembe na de beja womo tie ansa makọ gina o
de beka nyina ne se ye hia mwa se hwiman ensom na de ebe enye efe ne nabusuanko se hwiman dia Western North ye nyina aye dia se de ebe ya ye nuamo a omo ye deaf omo ye blind autistic children ene orphans nyina benya bia bi na wanka se de bia metifie o ko school betumi akọ school ho edi se ebi enne na obeka se akra bi anye orphan ofie but abrabo yenim de besi ebetumi ato obi a enye obi a ne pese ne maame ne papa emfiri mu ebi ana ato obi nti ye besere se hwiman nyina emmoa se wo ye panin bi so na wo hia ne ye brewa envelope yesrew mboaye yesrew momoaye omomoaye pa na yentumi ye de
medase Jona kakra be na odi jaye
ya meka say ne menua na ka ne say wi e mama ye so nche pa abo awaye there be ala ya so aye ma mo ya ho ngran Kumasi other places TF Abia school for the deaf, school for the blind and other things e wako so be sibi nti ye wo so ye boa ma ye ma ne sia okoboka ye bodin because ye let such children in our homes bobengo school we have a lot of these children in our homes nti se ye boka ma be sia ye kora koboka ma golan mo kusu konyanka akotena na wanye bed wa ma o ma men onko haropo because ebe sibie ye mafamai ma hobra ha me wa har me papa ha ka pin hobra ngo ho because olobie bo ne anyo ba ke sala ngura ngo to atin pongoli 2 days because e di anwa yo ne ama wo ibiale ije chichile all these things nati ye elie mani ofo atwe won so chai opecho boka ye bo ye ma mo wo so tibie no nti obiala boka na ye boka yi ma wo ye bo opecho ye ye dem ase
Jena medawasi if say we no a non-profit organization
yeah non-profit and no the government enyo no dia a non-profit nti chese obi se wonka se ye tuaka ana ye voluntary etu ho anche adwuma aha eno na nipa nim se bia obi tua woka obi antua woka voluntary
medasi azada enko ema kofa by ode Heaven's Touch Foundation ediba o se wo mo AC orphanage home na wo mo ehia support anu nti dodo na emra emeye wo mo moa se na ebe ya omo ebetumi asi ade amana wie peye se wo anwea cement bibia edisi dan ma na yeye na pese wo de boa wo mo ebeje wo mo se wo sika nso na do be ma wo mo nso so a wo fro mo mba beje na mo pese wo send mo nso de ma wo mo a 0553 050 954 Edinya ewoson Heaven's Touch Foundation 0553 050 954 Edinya ewoson Heaven's Touch Foundation womo twen so so betumi aye womo moa enti ye nyina no yenko womo emoa meda womo asesa no pay so no womo ebae megina hada na womo ba ye ne amanofo no ebesi nkonya.
Correct, sir. I take a woman. Merimedro delay man capsules ya wunum ye die. Boy ye. Ahode na wanya ne sano. Wo delay adwuma no so papa. Na wo che. Na wo ye ni ye pa.
Delay man capsules. I don't know. Ama me sisi ni me ko todwemu ayen.
I can see. Na local mixture ene the capsules a. E man ne merima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Wo hu me say.
Me hu say wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa.
Enti na wo ko share wo would delay sa. Local mixture and the capsules means so a feature chromo yaw biem mura. So wo be delay kra no means no
Bema na wo baby a wo behu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho baby ano. Fa local mixture esia no. Yare bi te se gonorrhea, white, syphilis and the keka ho no wo bi a. Woni ntime nyi da. Enti ma local mixture and the capsules. E me yefru ho. E wo heba and pharmacies nyina mu. Dodo afre 0242 133 577.
Ana 0248 619 999.
Local mixture and the capsules.
And what's that in kind?
Esiane kaja yaseda Mira se say de min sumi bi afei de ameme edan ba kwa ye behan ye na say otena say de min sumi bi do be ye bia enye fiewre yi fe
ba ye pa wo pampam no na din sha na ye hye wo na se fiewre anya wo say ya e ma wo tirim se wo besida na fiewre bi tete wa comfort ata 68 enterprise na se ma fia ba store se obema onyoma wo de besi wo fie na wo so nya ba bi du ti ato na mpanifo se se wo nya ba bi du ti to na abrabo na no Comfort Attack 68 Enterprise anasa Mafia Bar Store to adanse hu nyoma ni nyina bi ahyase ko se awie bit say cement iron rods wheelbarrow pickers shovel hammer carpenter for so yanyi mu ma your foreign plywood a obetimi dey your kitchen cabinet wardrobe any what design plywood a obetimi dey your ceiling na fese na so bo POP ni wi a plywood dey be ma wo ade show TV na chi ebi ho stickers design bi leather any material papa ye dey yankonya asande yampa leather ye dey leather pragia enkonya ene car so dia blue ye wa 99 and a top band carpenter for so mutu so ni nyina bi wo ho ene dia mo dey ye adwuma ye sa wo paint na hodo ni nyina bi beti say home paint DTM paint flamingo oil paint and a local paint foreign paint so ho no so color wo pe no me amexe dia ma wona spray car so ye mu paint ni bi aba ye wo super shine hardener clear ene dia keka ho wotimi display funda kan na so wo se wo dan ni wi a ya ma won chance papa wo dey bow down so mosquito nets black and blue wire mesh padlock alarm dia and a high security na sada ofia woni a comfort kwanta mobile Comfort Attack 68 Enterprise anasa Mafia Bar Store ama masimi fie na asedanka me fie wura wotete me sakanyo no ankama enchina nkɔhwɛ Comfort Attack 68 Enterprise anasa Mafia Bar Store e wasa hwidwinase nana dick filling station wa fair manager nana pia e wasa homatrofo we so 0541087624 afiwe Mafia Bar Store ti tenant bia besini fie
why crowd say wo benya wo chefa every 10 million a chedie no mu ana BECHEM Betway scratch and winner a free 19 June ekosi 30th July where there bet bia wo bebo casino games no mu wo benya wo scratch card na we be ma wo kwan am wenya a chedie hodo bebre kai say card bia wo nya no e be ma wo kwan am wo hu a chedie akese a wo benya no beka hu say ya e wo www.betway.com.gh Gaming Commission of Ghana and Sasha sie woni fie no watwe a enko hu Betway bet wo wa wo kwan so
FPAC ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edi kata yaw FPAC tutu yawa efiri minimu kura abrofo friend sore throat no FPAC jojo honam mu yaw nso na se wo ye adwumaden so na wo tutu a FPAC ma wo ho dwo wo fom Sara na wono a epe sports akensi ahoro ni miriketu nso no se wo ho namdua no ye wo ya FPAC wurawura wapo mu koma yaw no eyedini FPAC kutia free richness FPAC jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no saa nso na FPAC ekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebosa no FPAC so ma wo ho sepew ubenya FPAC wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia
FPAC yebusua duro ma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire asma ne osa yarefo apemfo ene ma wo ma manufo de ensese wo fa FPAC se wo fa FPAC nanu na wo ho anto a ko hu doctor
FPAC blows your pain away
se fie ni bibia komane wo ene yenko fie yenko bibia ni je wo bibia tinke mo den wo bibia cereal wo ene mpuse to de bia bibia yetini su yenko bibia yebetumi akyere ya adwene na yenya sembia
and sweet
bibia yede nwuma yepepa sasa ya saketwa no a eye niwo no yenko fie bibia odo ohwe ene ni jiwo
Babia ni ho a esifie MTN home ema data bundles for na odi account fie no any abefo a mountain time a ebo adwantam so abum broadband.mtn.com.gh ana wo my MTN app no so na sasia ene ya
MTN
Wifey, nesana we active say. E de kane wo be no amoa ho de nam ho. Oh.
Jemi Razabren. Na minya araba bazen pills. Edu ma fichi cross wanyo. Etimi ka me say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no a he emaye. Eto da ba etimi ba say boom boom boom. Ebi nso wo ha. Minya tenka bia krasa me no be hia.
Body na ha mi o.
Oh, araba bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne mo jade me mu afri sane ye. Me mo ja so ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na araba bazen pills. capsules aso mu emei hunchu capsules nso aso ye ne mema no pa ma sese de no odwonso 10 no wanya hoto do no odwonso anemu ye ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wa hawo nyina afie ne mema iso
Mira na wokai last time enka wo ya say wo ho obazi mu no
asem na kwabo so we se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be huna ne se oh me hu se basa du ba bi nso kra ma dwonso via me fisi ma wie no na se kakra kem
wow
oh se hunchu capsules you hawo nyina firi ho kra
Araba Bazen pills ani hunchu capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop bi
wo se hwene no potem ha obenya bi wo Candice License Chemical Store wo se hwe so wo fa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se Ernestina Herbal e wo se hwe bekwai Junior Saman and Prince Moses Pharmacy wo Sciences SKDA e wo se hwe duabo so obetuma free Kulun Ghana Limited e wo 05049066665 0545906665
ma mensan ema wo akwaba ene akwakoye ebenada dwada na unu se group nada say so dia ebenada bia the most productive day of the week omo ko aye wo miamia hodo nyina na omo asen aba bedru nti edru adwada ebenada ne say dia na se adaje eni eposo anapay me wo Dennis afum wa ha Dennis youth organizer ema se hwi also constituency MPP Sarah so ena upon Emmanuel so ewa si ono so member of the NDC communication team and pay o menchen wa si a ye nyina ye ba bedi nkomo ne ahwe ensema apipi edwa so ene anapay Dennis boko de
oh adom ne ahwe ye
adom
bia boko
ye bibia ye boko okay wazi
that's
what's it
yankuba dawo mama ho ye
okay
bon madam
His Excellency will trim kwa na say odaso ewo
menya na intel ne dia but anope manage pa say me hu me am madam watch my dear Jesus
oh okay
in the person of madam Efe Kudom
oh okay
no you be open masempa
I see
me hu na to Frank manage my first time me hu kra I was suspecting say obey wunia
oh she's my younger sister
meet program na
me wo Ekua me wo Samson me wo Efe into na to 3
yeah
but odobo no koye na 6 there's not here
okay
wo Ekua me wo Samson na me wo Efe I see but Dennis my friend free wo enura me bisa atama for this same question maybe so so nana pay na the base for the discussion today because His Excellency or Babesrai but I can't tell because we more ekase dwuma de no 9 and now it's 9:30 so either say that we twem eko anase ebia is on his way going now it was Ghana there yes Ghana type but say akwanya wo honanka wakọ dwuma de na se nanka yakase oh Dennis wa ha ti Dennis asembisa be nanka wo de beto His Excellency anim se wo region imwi nsa be nanka we bisa president
medase mecheti efo nyina menchichem MPP ne NDC e baako Ghana ti mechia obibia yempuntu esem anka meka kire ye mampanyini say onhwe yempuntu esem because Oba Western North a new region project bebre akoso enye ni nyina na yawie e wo say Oba ebeto aso next one meka kire no say oka kire kokwakuafo say kokwakuafo aban esisimu enti me ba me meto koko no more than 6,000 Inti obey na me expect say obey catch for say cry
na afi
vigilantism
okay
but when you vigilantism
we
brutality because ade a mideni samigina hey meka say IGP ne omanpanyin na ka bo mu yeye dia course no planned IGP any omanpanyin na ka bo mu and I'll tell you why.
Why?
I should tell you why.
Yes.
Dennis, me will be my politics, me di politics a chiache. Ye limited registration. Krana ye twem kola mo ma betre wo mudino. Police for police ebia mienu miensa ayede omo eba ho no ubehu se camera ebonebo ubehu se okuratuo yenka so o matutuo but at least eye bibi ye twika fa omo so wo atiwa ye kum nipa wo atiwa omo bete omo ho wo west ayawa so ayawa so west wa go omo bete wo omo ho na sede me pe tutu asem no IGP entina mayu police ni bia kwa poliba on say police for omuko nti baabi no bia kra nkura bi
say for a truncheon or something
yes me nim ni din no specific but wo bia police for ni som eno kra on say na police ni bia nkura
hwe
enti na eye planned IGP koye ni say omu ya wie ye na president akoma toni yem no eno ka kire IGP say de obetimi amomo she helmet omo kura tuo omo kura shield akọ enti de course no midenis me wo video wo ha kire say omo be free ho no na omo wo abankesiem de ohuri pem ye maame no omo nyina ewo mu bi ewo video no me wo metimi de
fight or something
yes metumi de amount yenim wo like yenim ye ho wo Ghana
after the rerun
no omo ye before so omo ba be konto
answer na omo be ba grounds
ho no omo free abankesiem na buy because omo kwaji omo sika videos ne wo ho omo wie ye no me hwe bibia wo channel 1 TV se ntokwa ne koso no ne ya pack V8 tuntum e wo ka kwan na no enti omo wie
na wo flashlights
yes na wo flashlight V8
yes
flashlight banim enti omo ebedi to transem no wie ye no omo san ye san komo koho biem nso omo ko ebu no wie ye no police for na dey force by omo ko kire police for ni so omo nya obia because they control them enti omo wura mu biem no ena omo san omo achi no omo ba car ne ho omo ba car ne ho no hwan na free car no mu siye eye minua keto Malik Basentali ena free car no mu siye o free car no mu siye no macho man ni nyina di na chima omo ko ba 3 times e wo street ne so channel 1 TV eyi ni nyina na ye live eno de
mitio pa
enti midanisi de se wi so ye registration camera by tuba bibia na se ye to aba e wo 19 polling stations police ni fa nsa pan ko sebe minua midenis amete se me ye police ni kura ye bu obi amemmen because me nye protected me wo yire ne ma ofie enti sana na wo police for no adwim because police ni a wo kwakọ maintaining peace and order unkura dua wo de maintain peace camera wo de maintain peace ani pan be say ye video mi mponti da cha asem beba ho no ebi mo ho nothing omo de omo nsa pan say de me de nsa pan a me fun kura mi ene call centers na wafa ye say mo bifu police wafa police for 60 akogu center bako kura ni ho a okura sebe taya ye tukum anoma na with the security akoho no but esiwie ye no they saw said there was a need for security na NDC mi refinidin ono nsem am kan ye nyina ono na eka asema makoma etom yem o say we are Ghana ni se say Ghana am say fellow so fosuku achi o so NDC for eka sa ye nyina sebe ono pe na kan yansasem hwe a whole CU etimi ka say violence beget violence say ye kwati wa no enti wo che say MPP ye be kwati akwati asesen ye kwa akwati ano ye mfa ye sampan kwa na because IGP ne president Mahama akabum the police for tuo the police for cameras no amonko police wo ho dia police wo ho amoma ya amanasi ma menche wade ba akokra emi time yade attack on the media okay soldier ni police ni ball media guy na sum no within a twinkling of an eye IGP taking the swiftest and the most important decision.
Sure.
Many but IGP Ebahono, the macho men were there. IGP Bahono, the macho men were there. IGP and to me and Cass say. And we are no making statements. Ye be say. But I'm telling Ghana Police Service, MPP, we are not dead. Okay, say member, MPP or member. They know it. Yenim kon yenim dwane. Yenim kon yenim dwane. Odi edi ye ne. Ye say be kwase antɔhwe ne ti aso mpre nu. Se wati aso ampai. Omunya nti aso biem. Na I cry for mother Ghana. I cry for mother Ghana in the sense say yenye obia odi oman nanima ondwen ma ho ondwen kwala ho se bibi touch ma enkwala ema ena diemia but eno nche se ma ne nkwala be diemia ne nti yenso yemfa yensan hye dem rifam ne yemmo yeyem. We will really prepare ourselves. We thought say yekoto aba na ya adwen kire ene yekoto sebe de asi that MPP ayebi NDC ayebi but I thought it's me madwen mu ne de era ye wo mu no civilization aba eni bie aba but senyo obi a na hu sa eni bie na wotena hoye eni bie a sebe ye wro kawa efo abati enti MPP betena ho se akwati ayenkwa wro ye kawa mfa ya bati ana no menua we some training we politics
me tiopa
wo betan ho sem me Dennis me nwa ka wan for wabati
mentiase.
Yes, so Ghana police should prepare. I don't trust them, yes, because of IGP. I don't trust Ghana police because of IGP. Say enye asema yenka enena metie interview moye interview bi anopa the person was very critical. Interior Minister Onimshe. He was very emphatic, said Interior and Kofi Bwachina na ewo say anko positions e ho ne emfa mema MPP fu e NDC fu na bedi mo positions but sometimes no obi a owo nimdie ewo area no wo de ne kwa mema for example Yemi Akando were ranking member of health committee for some time on him health issues enti owo ho no. Sabi directors are also there. But when you take someone like Muntaka, me say zero, raw, nothing. Onim de oye. Enti yentana homo mon roye kawa emfa yabati.
But he gave an assurance.
Assurance. The word assurance.
Yes, sir.
I gun krata so metimi akachiro say yetua ka wi ayenko controller and accountant general police ni no so ma interdicted on unim so no bodyguard NDC ni ba ko me pese me de me ropi obi aba na sem. He has been a bodyguard for NDC MP for almost 8 years or NDC ni mapa and I tell you say ne nsabe kana katua the media should cry. Me se boso me so an nsa beka na katua yes ya interdict no eno de wo paper so nti assurance no e wo paper so want to me anya ma onua wo se wo kwaya ma urade wa hunu da
then is messing about
me da say
Ajapon your reactions
before my call reactions my medical and chat or as a host it's for most especially on more market IT and anopep. Now you also a man for at large. Me fanchi aso ko emaye ankasa regional minister Honorable Petty Bentum in zo bodjuma so e de aboye region MP Honorable Kofi Afubente ono so bodjuma so pa nyoma bi wo ha waka so obeye even though no person obeka or expect san kan results no ankasa ebekasa amane ho talk of electricity expansion roads Kesi Chrome I considered Futa considered as Safo a churching as I so kujina considered. Every boreholes are hold the Bima communities within this first year ake name about 10 boreholes any ebe you see 1 kg block, GHS block, 1 primary and then 1 clinic. Nina we are looking forward say nina bebem amasewi anasa we also so afa nentomapa efra. And then fast forward me call no ensem so you see when it comes to communications you can decide to go anywhere and at any tangent to be out, but always the fact remains the fact. Okay, a for any show I say IGP and president are conspire and then
what he saw.
Oh no.
No.
How can this happen?
How can it happen?
You should take politics sometimes. That is hold on. I am moderating. I have every right to also respond to his view.
Yes, I am moderating you.
Okay.
So, or not nadwin and not ochreye. He thinks he say penia a course on any day we are no see who near mano a yard or no who say a you castrated. And I are not nadwin on carbon.
And I'm also
for
speaking
sure.
my mind.
Sure. Very well.
And to me, so may come again.
Yeah, very well.
And to the American say, and to me, see that say IGP and the president, I could share our presidency. No more what's not say. Young Fanko Fonko Guo, Nyanko Bunko, just because of 19 polling stations. After all, that's it, you know. And this year, what will happen? Let's go explain. No, I know the politics. Okay. And right, me call one of your sister stations. Now, I mean, my story. My crab, I could not pay. SP way back I'm say about 2-3 years ago. I create your friend is saying position as the school prefect. Now Ojini who said the TB and your 2 about no winning. A Korea say I create winning. Oh, 12 sumu school was anti elections mudia ye nike try then but the fact is that and what's so brutality and that kind of my yo means me ye be to also ka. What I say, and what's the as of mine, Chichiriano, and what's the so. But so what come from the angle say, a dear president, any IGP, who know what's contradicting say, IGP when the attack was laid on the journalists, no, and not the OTK swift action. Obia what Nasia plan say, make or Maya say a month for no. I didn't know take swift action. But
Obibet no, me patch.
When you were talking, you can also go ahead and write whatever you want to. Kayasu, let's fix the reality.
Yes,
and I'm making inference out of your.
I'm not saying what can be born.
Okay.
What say? A bear one. Say a bit to me, see.
Okay.
But a bit to me, so see.
Okay, young fan say. A bit me see.
Good.
And I am fine. Okay, a bit me see.
Yes.
But what's some now? What can? And then I'm taking something out of what you just said. What's any panatnas you are planning? Oh, we know as I can say. Oh, me and my plan is a me when this time I'm in your papa.
But they say,
oh, come here who say. Bibia wo boss nyina pointed to the fact say I'm pass on what
obi betuna yesa e de sa na esi no.
I'm only drawing your attention to the fact say he's contradicting himself.
I am not denying whatever you are saying here. But what I'm saying is Obi's wait me I say oh makwa trasa is we there on the face of between we alpha and animals na be ya amanfo hu nyame ye no so echi. That one can also happen.
You see, Osanso can be Beaver registration center and
yes.
Police ni ko ho na yama otuo. Ye ko register yenya about okra nyamba so. Etu na ye de share what remember? The additional police na as security needs them or the bed them.
You are quoting him wrongly. Or say Ebam say ye kwa ye registration and no ye kwa ye to me Emma a police ni etu no the call. Ye to me ebo no camera no the call.
But I have not landed.
No. I am putting you on the right track.
One kill to one.
Okay, two once. And
then that's what exactly what I'm saying.
No, Senya Osikan the contest. I don't want you to deviate from there.
Okay, me say then.
What I say? Or no nasema okay and say. Eye no wanwa say ye kwa akoto aba. Say ye kwa registration grandpa ye to me e bon for camera. Emma wo mutuo emma mo the call registration centers. But eye no wanwa say ye kwa akoto aba. Na mum ye bema police ni etuo ye bema na camera to deter others no ya anyesa. That is what he said.
Let's listen to IGP. Way back to is it last elections or on one day memorandum of understanding within the among the parties. And Omoka said this time, why you be you say obeko electoral police station piano and unya sa toko.
Correct.
And what is the essence of say what they weapon alcohol? Unless say something untoward BSC, ni akase bia oh yen fair for reinforcement. Me elections are made change now. Basically, obi obe boama peace. I prevail or obi no buy a man weapon. Ji ebia BSC or ni afraid for reinforcement and sana. Ebia mo bano ni hu ebia intel ya gadenti. Sadia yen fa nyoma sinye de embra. I remember I said Busmo so one time near here. Way back at MC 2000 is it 2000 and the last election to this one. That's 2020. Your horse and one issue can be a buyer and your fair response. I can't buy and cry me jam when dinner I was scared. Go crack tie be tire added a kumanoma. Now have bunny cranina. We would never be an also beg you aboa or be proud. One way, says Samanka yet under normal circumstances, yet the MIA security service on here about to also. Yet prepare be so major. One way a best care amount for. Don't forget, sir, elections so just your basic right. Kwacha wagen say when I'm a penasem. I didn't say also be Baha and Kawasa the action in them. Let's talk about how Kumsin. Me can on authorities say I did way there was on my yes also. But how Kumsin on one kasana not or yet prepared say Bibi habit me in your corner then what was the essence of using pepper spray or the shine of alcohol? On wow person as a crown ya to a bet yaw. Wo Odiana Okan or Habema Obia Sanagin. What are you going to do there? So walk home put there, you have your right to go there. Obi and see why. Name walk on a weapon I show bag him nucran say what the weapon I show bag him walk there. And you'll be so bad preparing home. Don't forget, say, but Dr. Mahmoud Bo me asam walker. Or sister Sassam we echo nay and count there and you're almost in every anything. What does it mean? Expressing. No. I'm come and expressing. Let's look at what happened to Ayawa's was gone. Yeah, sounds like the committee, a Bokati committee. Recommendations are all there. A moon sang and a year Juma. Sam George, a sitting MP, recommend a committee in some more kind of business, and some now a DSC and some job a provoke and a banner. Do you think, says your friends, how a Kumsin, also Johnson will be to share so? But what sound will be better share so? Anyway, it can't happen.
It can't happen, but you and I were not there.
You were not there. And also can't say no. You never say you were. I were not there. But can you now? So video evidence.
Maybe so.
Obia swatch.
And come on, yedi.
Okay.
Yedi nkomo.
Martin.
Good. Yedi nkomo. You are talking of how a kumsin. Say one or provoke and now one provoke. And now Mr. Menuwe no be any.
And for us, men can emphatic say.
Men can what can emphatic.
But I'm stating say. What actually caused the chaos?
That one is unknown to us.
I know Tina Yaja Bibiashe, your friends, a ministry of and Sase, or and take swift action against that. And then on one case, I can't know what was I contradicting and say IGP, one police be then or your MPP or your NDC. Now, my man can't say way. Young Kasaya politicians, young creative problems am I home.
Okay.
Say, see, I'll be pay military or be pay. Your friend is saying. Immigration obi pe police emu ekosha hwan mo na ya ehu omodi omoko enya politicians ya na se wo di obi akona wa yi nipa ne se on meye bodyguard wo expect say nipa no be rise etia wo kra na ka wo be fa say nipa no entia no kra de jaika wo na do ranko akufo ado ne bodyguard o gina ne nche de bia no wo ye sure say on gather intelligence bia ba say nipa no be friends on di na chi as bodyguard. And no crowd yen jaika yenti krom hana one was it an DCOP or so no sorry dey tia down Paris say yen no yen MPP nti yen fa IGP man no yenti krom ha eno no dey na esi wo ho what happened mo twa nipa no mo twa na so ekosi hen owie ya okọ hom jemu ana okọ yi ni party card say okọ prime minister MPP nto ne so aba eno crowd dey dey one kan ho asem o be ka say obi bodyguard nti o yen DC ni masa you people should like I was some communicate here and some are okay and some are okay sabe no na say bia me we say sana mo betina ha communicate there bia there and yet ti say the multi opposition that is your comfort zone mo betina was because the Ghanaian voter or you deciding bisa ho say how a kumsin issue wo ye registration wa koto tutu o wa kun amanfo eno na kosi he mu wie na mo say ache ne opponent na ono kra no oni ne nya issues no mo che no mo detain no how can say was she detained ye che no as no no on nam krom ha say ni ya san so friend Kaswa Van Dam oba ye fro Kaswa Van Dam na wo refi say waja krotwa bi wa manfo ho ebia wo ba ho na obi beka say wo so de na no wo ye enti
the attitude of
so kwasa so agada intelligence wo ba kwa wasan aboa ho. Listen, look at this issue and the MPP omo rep no me rep fini there I say a free year or so time issue ne cause no more you are only talking about the NDC side of it. Say bia you afraid for boys be na malebas intelligent then I know there me ni hobby
and nothing na be sao so wo reaction because and some of the kind and I me to mouse
me ni hobby but video na me so video na o kan ho asem no channel 1 ho na o kan ho asem no when the incident happened and agency no na eboboba no I heard a woman on phone video no ojina so say monfra boys ni binya den embra na nsem se na yeden ekoso eno so de eno da obi anka wasem ade no a two-sided coin wo kan no nanka waka na ya condemn no ni nyina na free o e kira se menu bi gyina na yekoku na se be mfa so bi amba so
but generally say near course no how do you say
generally no madiki aka say enya ade wo say yes so aso man na me ko kira madwen keke. I remember as I started this small way me chrome me yana man who dey here obi say me ka me ame wofa what I say na year o say me ka ni kunu ho asem ade nsu na nya no kra wo kasa wo ana yeah boys yenso ye jan na yeti ensam obedi matemba sa ba me one type say me fiu obi kra na agent okwa no kuma me I was very quiet me we esam na himia the whole night me se mantimi anda I don't want it to happen that way. Ebi asade asam shi obi aye obi ya no enye sa na ye nyina eden yete me ene ya me no nya asam na me nim se kaya so me no you very close na maka asam atia me hu se asam na maka no eye wo ya ebe den se na adwumu nya metimi ada me ka no kra na ache enti se ukokum obi ye kotutu aba obi se be sa nipa na wa ba oba yedede no enfa so be na ye benya free so as on mine but we shouldn't forget say sa tag we na koye between both MPP and NDC yen nyina ye ya we wo man one video bi a me hwe no after this issue akwani gina ho ana mo MPP for mo you see e de we ni elections ana ye nya abato no mo mfie ana sesia mo akwatia okato aso sa akwatia mo nkotwa NDC for no mo san ababium ndro na mo di na mo gina mo de dede ye no mo na di ye mo nya nipa nchen. Just look at this. Let's take it says ankofo we nka de bi on be buy system no ma jena ebeto ye as wow we just a mere voter.
Maybe sir Dennis question bi me
what you say
na muntaka asem na me di bisa no but oba me hu say ono mom de onje muntaka any the police no eni muntaka enra accountability series okoko gina on nsem okan ye nyina on the two Ghana for nyina ni mu say sa nkrofo na omu di sa adwuma de no eye sa nyambrasem no they will not go scot free emra no ene wo mu ebedi pe ni ana eye Dennis kan ono no ema ye instances say ebi asi wo mo ekoye ho report no nyama ne nyina ankwa ankosi aga no from where you sit wo hu ne se nyamuntaka kan no zo no ebebem sa.
You see sometimes when it comes to leadership it's about your political will say to me na the amount no matter say the assembly be si akọ o de be den o de be adwuma. Let's look at this Emery short in the report. I'm say recommendations on make here.
Yes.
Now let me get it. Is it about 8?
Emery short report.
Yeah.
Page
about I was we go.
Nam say page say
issues no. Me ba There was one guy me refini dey say obo na so wie no ye ka kire no pefe say sakwa no ye nhwe na so up to now ekosi hin because I know mo nyina nim say sankofo no ye aligned to MPP nti because this aya was we go no me kwa na me ho tete me say ni papa kwabrane ya so ni mu na the force of the police unit ba ko bi o mba e bi kura akuma sa akuma nketenkete e bi kura bi na ka ye beto aba sa akuma wo de be den ho. But because of ensama na akoso wonti obas na de bokwabrani achi na no na etwa no nya no de bon. But the other side na de bokwabrani achi tan ye wie police ni say ne ethnicity ana ethnic group owom ehonsem na ode di na attempt na asem o kan say won hu say police MP anka wambo na so na chese onko ye mere person bi no nam ho de anka wa hwe kra obabu na kuno what I say enti ade ne say let's have hope in our security system say ye nya jadwen say the MPP and NDC nsam no ebe chichire ye security system dia and we should forget say the na no esi wa ya so was go aye ka say ye punish obi na ye besi ne 2019 besi ne ye fees ani pa no sanso na we nso betimi aye aye but we should have believe say this time around enko sabium because JDM ne ba na oba no or say oba be reset Ghana what means wrong no is going to rewrite it to its right fullest and it's a muntaka amaya ya we say dia no so kan no your videos wa forward videos ni nyina dia ma IGP was signed be ma presidency what I say enti dia tie bia no se sanipa no if they only have the political will say omba bring sanipa no to book kwadia they will ever do it unless say ebia they will think otherwise but I'm not hoping say basis because a sister there and your mind we are not safe because yet kroma na vigilantism ye catch both MPP and NDC ana ye brain ase kakra and e san so ye den em ma ne ho so biom in the meantime ye kɔ akwatia de asi wa ha no de kɔ tia no menye wadwen say ono say bi sam sip dia
nia na wo hwehwɛ no is about opinion committee no etna say recommend say or say the short commission recommended the criminal prosecution of a national security operative who slapped the Ningo Pram MP Sam George. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Dennis, Mamin Tio.
Minia, you drew baby. Yeah, politics how you should be nationalistic more than emotional. Won't say what justify ever has say. How I come see no a friend who Kaswa Van Dam na way. Me start no me ka sem bi say NDC ye bi wo akwatia atiwa omode ka twi fa yan krofo so nyina kunkum krofo no mugu dem
NDC
yes baba jama amunim de omoye
omode ka twi fa krofo
me say
nya no na ekofa akwatia kra che bibi kakra
yes
issue no ba
yes
okay
say no start here
I don't know NDC when they can twi fa
yes on what they can ra MPP for mo call ayim
Anita Disoso and others
yes
okay
enti ekofa we buy enam sa nti yelusu abato no ene e ba power ena ayawa so e baaye ena payback bi ebem
so what from near Okano it is more or less near a sea no retaliation oh okay
but metna hwa ma wa retaliate ena me so mechanic clear say o kan sembi men ka se menje police endi I believe the police but menje police indi abra IGP leader of the Ghana Police Service.
Oh, which is ONG IP.
Yes, be masam no, but okay. The Ghana Police Service dear.
But IGP
the institution no dear. Me respect me bibia. You were radio so but me sorry am awon they are doing their job.
Okay.
But they were incapacitated
by
an order from IGP. And no na me kire because me ma kire wo mu say before say we be koso no. Na ya sign bill. Say vigilantism yentwam. And when we send this MPP, yeah, call by a rerun election, one who vigilantism be but Bema Wednesday, and Abasinteli make media release said the basi wohono. A bonso by canning quasi asem or impeti ni but anything regarding IGP, Minjin, anything regarding IGP, Minjin. The me edge MPP for nyina ne say ye mema yemfa your differences engu nchen.
But are you sounding for war?
I'm not sounding for war. Yemfa your differences engu nchen. Yenka ye humbom na obi to a yetumi ato bi. Say ye my division eba ye mu na ye nhwe ha adidija animu na nenam party tia obi nan so sankrofo ni nyina I'm calling on them omunya manenka osunu nti jaimanenka na jina ma wo party because 19 police stations mponie near a whole constituency. Me find you so ha ya take work at a boy. O ya call Emma. Young woman people for Hunina. So this time round, no, we are going to go in our numbers.
Okay.
Ye go in our numbers no. Na ye console na ye koyie because yenje IGP ni. Ena yenje President Mahama eni. Ni interior minister ne de me say null and void because ontimi nya hwe.
Medase.
Dia kai.
Ima ma mentio quick one after you move on.
Yes, say. O ye MPP ni. Akoko be search akroma sen.
Anya ne fe. But ni esi na ye fe.
No.
Okay.
Madika Canada.
Oh, yeah, Madika. Yeah, sure.
Madika can long and then more over and over. Say nya there was yes so. But say what ti ase wo ka kire etimamfo nyina say mo small match up. Mo security apart from state security be mbium na mo. No. Mama come as a master. No, keep quiet, please. Are you calling for war? Why did he call for say officer? You are calling for war. Oh, master.
What you are doing?
And I'm saying, say, what the write down your issues. No.
Tobo.
You tell this and we basic Africa.
And you've already said it.
Imam Pacho. Ono na sema okan say MPP for wo mo so no wo mo interest o mo ye member nti wo mo so mo mo o mo.
Enti wo bo ahun den na wo bo ahun. On what basis? Den na wo de bo ahun.
Me ba. Oh. And I me bisa na say is he sounding war? And also no. He's not sounding for war, but they are going there prepared.
Yen kambum na yen ko.
Good.
That is what I said.
No. One you didn't listen. Me say. Let's take it say ebesisa ye to a obeto no. Ye wa national security e wo man mu ha say. What other security apparatus na wo de ko ho no? Enti a wo ka say omo to a yen so yemfa tuo ene sanyoma no ko.
What?
No, Kayaso. Yes, and yes, sir. Sometimes all the mamim flow be.
Oh yeah.
Because when he was talking, it look as if say asema obisa na say.
Mpacho kasa.
Okay. Eti the ten say, oh no, he is ready for war. That is what he's telling us. So on J Muntakendi, on J IGP,
yes.
What? And no. O manu eba edwa e na ye nyina e ho ye den etoye. But say a wadwin be say, oh, we are seen to Sadia Yanko we are. Make us a wo better yourself, but you no go there. What I say, even overcall cra, Abia, Sebe, Abia, what do you, your friend say, a weapon or drobinti, Babo will be betiko, Abia or no baby, now so shabby. Ah, look at what happened. This woman issue or two to a kobo or a borrow be storm, store at any baby. How I couldn't see issue or bits in the store, registration kekelo. Obit in the store, a bull rat storm. It will be anchor off a some crime fan when a bull run storm. Say Kokuni Panaka, there are some other catcher. There are the Bachian say young Comabusan compensation. We see can it me tonka. We should call a spade. I didn't let's call it saying yet. Ninja say the cast can some say, oh, and yeah, boy, and young boy. Ghana mum was a casse and to quay see her. A more bread pie and crying. I'm telling you. What I say, Sarcophone the best of her because they know nothing about what to be going on. Wona we be man de bia se be obetimi akon akodu baby me tokwesi a enya de media chiri da me come what Sarcophone ne be suffer because they know nothing about what to be going on. Wona we be man de bia se be obetimi akon akodu baby me tokwesi a enya de media chiri da me come what I say I will never follow and na me feel cry and tokwasi wo kan wasam cry na fam how just keep quiet and then go my way because I also think about my peace of mind. Now my mu nyina na sakade bia ye te answer titititita je na de bebre it will not bring anything to us. Sabe samre